Kuringana na OCPD wa Juja Patrick Manyasi, thutha wae kwirwo acio kumenya ati ni marahitanwo nao ni maobitha a borithi makiuma mwena wa Keno kuria marakoretwo maratha mutwe ndereba wa taxi na marerekeire muciini munene wa Nairobi marageririe kuhundukira ndaraca-ini ya Juja makienda kurira Thika.
I think this is a breakthrough because this is an issue we have been experiencing, especially over the weekends, and in cooperation with our special crime prevention unit and other units, we believed that today was our day and we are working on it, and I think it has been a successful evening.
Marari ekwirwana makihuthira ngari muthemba wa Toyota Belter na maobitha a borithi marahotire kuraga arumeri na mutumia umwe mwikuirwo wa kana akihota gwithara na nguraro cia rithathi. Muthii umwe urekorire gatagati-ini ka ndathukaniro iyo ya rithathi ni ararathirwo na arahanyukio thibitari-ini nene ya Thika kuria arakuire akiamukira urigitani.
So we highly believe that the guy who escaped while shooting is the one who shot a member of the public that was about 100 meters ahead of where we are right now.
Tunafurahia waendelee hivyo hivyo sababu tunasumbuliwa sana usiku, hata tuwezi tembea sika vijana hii mtaa. Hatuwezi tembea, unatembea unashtukiwa umepigwa kata pale hivyo, si ndio majamaa?
Na hiyo funzo kwa vijana wote. Juu vijana wanatusumbua huku. Huku hii Juja wa vijana hawataki kufanya kazi. Tunataka security hii kazi ya uhalifu. Sasa tunataka vijana wanakataa huko manyumbani, wanakuja kutusumbua.
Maobitha a borithi maroiga ati ndereba wa taxi uria urarathirwo mwena wa Keno ni arathie na mbere na kwamukira urigitani thibitari-ini nene ya Kenyatta, marigitari makigeria kuruta rithathi ithatu iria cie mutwe-ini wake. Mushinga wa gwithondekera ni urahithukirio kuma kuria kwirwo acio. Gicanjama kiu kiracungiririe muhatikano munene wa ngari kuma Juja nginyagia muciini wa Thika, andu aingi makiyumiria gutuika aira thikũ 40 cia ekwirwo acio igikinya muthia. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, njitagwo Waweru wa Nyambura.